The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey until 11 p.m. At 10:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morris Plains, or near Morristown, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Dover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mountain Lakes, Riverdale, Victory Gardens, Parsippany, Taconic Township, Lake Telemark, Succasunna Kenville, White Meadow Lake, and Hanover Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 31 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 33 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following county: Morris, New Jersey,